Hello kings and queens, and welcome back to my channel, GlamQueenofDIY, and I'm Tammy, and I hope you're having an amazing and blessed day. This is your Glam Queen, and today I'm coming to you with two amazingly glamorous, quick and easy DIY room decor mirrored vases. So you guys, if you want to see how I put all of this together, make sure you keep watching. Here's my channel banner. Make sure you become part of the family. To you guys, I deleted the beginning portion of me gluing these two foam boards to this portion of the mirror, and it looks like this. And to you guys, this portion of the video is actually sponsored by Diflart.com. I'm dropping all of Diflart's information down in the description. Now what I'm doing is I'm just showing you here, you guys, how I am going to glue this together, and I'm just getting the best fit. Now let me tell you, this mirror tile from Diflart is their 13 facet mirror glass crystal mosaic tiles with 3/8 square, and they come in a pack of 5. I will include that information down in the description along with my discount code. Now you guys, Diflart has an amazing array of mirror tiles. They're also doing a lot of self-adhesive tiles right now as well. So make sure you do snag you a couple. And they don't not only have mirror tile, but anything on the end of doing backsplash, updating your kitchen and your bathroom, they have it available. So make sure you do check that out. Now here, I'm just preparing to glue this section in. And as you can see here, you guys, I'm showing you. And this video is going to be all up close and very personal. But we're gluing the foam board, and I'm gluing the bottom edge, and I'm going to also glue the side as you see here, because that bottom edge is going to stick to the tile where that side is going to catch the side of that foam board. So make sure you do follow me along. And with any project, you guys, always use the glue of your choice. But if you are using the hot glue, be very mindful not to burn yourself. And I will tell you guys, as a crafter, that Monvict hot glue gun, I would recommend that glue gun to you 100 times over, still by far. And I do have a couple cordless glue guns, but the Monvict and that Hiipoo glue gun, I would not trade those two glue guns in for anything. So make sure you do check them out. Now we'll include the video link for those down in the description, also with the discount codes for those as well. Now I am just reinforcing, you guys, the glue where those pieces touch. And I'm hoping I'm giving you the view of this from all angles. Now we're going to glue this back portion as well, so we can finish connecting these bases. And you guys, from this process here, it's gonna almost be that I'm just keep repeating the same thing over in what I'm doing. So make sure you do follow me along as we complete these two DIY room decor mirrored vases. Also, drop me a comment down in the comment section if you think this is a project that you will recreate. And also leave me a comment, you guys. I am attempting to change out my upload times. I want to bring you content here on the DIY channel Monday through Friday only at 10 a.m. So leave me a comment and let me know if that 10 a.m. time will be a great time for you to watch the content. Let me know, because we want to run the DIY content at between 10 a.m. and noon, and the home decor content will air anywhere between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. And as you can see here, you guys, I have some glue, and I'm just going to clean that up as well. Now we're getting ready to actually tie this vase together, and I'm just taking that 4th cut piece of foam board and layering it on the top, but I'm also making sure that it's even. And you guys, I like to check my pieces the same way I do measurement. Check once, check twice, check 3 times, and just put all of my pieces together. But this is what that vase is looking like. To always make sure that you do stay to the end to see them style. And as you see here, you guys, I'm cutting off the frayed edges from my pieces. You guys, I do like my pieces to keep a clean, fresh look to them, you guys, so they can always have sort of a professional look to them, you guys. I do like my pieces to look store-bought instead of DIY, and I like my pieces to have the high quality end look as well. So we're getting ready just to glue this foam board down and add this mirror to this final section of this mirror base. But we're still not through, you guys. And if you're still watching and you're not a part of the Glam Queen DIY family, make sure you do hit that subscribe button, tap the bell twice, it turns blue, and you'll know every time that we are uploading videos. We normally upload on Sundays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, but we're going to be jazzing it up this month, and you will be getting at least 5 videos every week. And you guys, and we're going to play with the days, but always make sure you're coming to the channel to look for those videos, and it will be 5 per week. Now we're getting ready to glue just that 1 row of that mirror down as well. And always be careful when you're using any type of hot glue. Now you guys, we still have to reinforce this vase, and I'm going to give you a very, very up close look here. And as you can see, I'm just putting my glue gun in and going up the edges, and I still would do this all the way around. And when I get where this farther in, you're going to be able to see it here where I still make sure that glue drops and just let it mend between the foam boards. But that's all we're doing. We're reinforcing the inside of the vase. And as you can see here, family, you see where I have dropped that glue on the inside of the vase, and I'm just cleaning up my glue screens. And I will tell you guys, it is also a good piece of advice to always have you a hot glue melting gun, so when you do these projects, because as you see, this glue makes all types of spider webs. And you guys, I do use the glue that I purchased, the Aztec glue from Amazon, where I get the bulk packs of it, and to me it is a little bit more stringier even than the Aztec gun that you actually glue sticks that you purchase out of the store. So with that glue heat gun, so you can melt out all of those spider webs. It does help your project go by a little bit smoother on the end. But we're just gluing the last strip, you guys, of this mirror tile down to this vase. And once again, make sure you do check out Diflart.com. All of Diflart's information is down in the description. We are going to add a bottom base to this vase as well, so make sure you stay tuned so you can see how we completely finish this vase. And I am going to add some hot glue here in any spot where it looks like my vase did not adhere fully. I just go back and reinforce it by putting in glue. And as you can see, I'm doing this to the outside, and I'm going to show you how I clean this up, the glue that is, if I have a bulk of it sitting. But I'm just reinforcing the strength and the security of this vase. And like I told you earlier, guys, I replicated this vase from how I created a prior vase. And I do have that link in the description as well. And to me, this is one of the easier ways to create these vases. And you can also create them in any size as well. And here's that base piece we're using on the bottom, and this is what it looks like, you guys. Don't worry, I'm gonna reinforce that as well, but I'm just hot gluing my trim so that we can add the bottom base to this vase. And now I'm just getting ready to add that second piece to the base of the vase, which I'm securing. And what I do, you guys, is when I finish my vase, when I get ready to style them with florals or anything, if I have long stems, I don't put anything in the vase. If I have short stems, I may stick bags or tissue paper down in it, or I will cut off a piece of a foam board and fill it. But that's the reason why I don't automatically put something in it, because you're going to see another vase replicated like this that I did do, that I also automatically used the foam board, and those were pieces for Mama Dukes. And you're going to be seeing that vase coming to you probably in another day or two as well. But this is what that bottom looks like. And you guys, it is almost time to clean these pieces up. And you know your girl, I cannot do one without doing two. I am a symmetrical girl. I like looking at things in symmetrically or in symmetry. So that's why I oftentimes just opt to create two of an item instead of one. And as we're finishing the cleaning of these two DIY room decor glamorous mirror vases, I am going to take off any excess glue, and I'm going to make sure I have it cleaned very well. Now you guys, do make sure you check out Diflart.com. Their information is down in my description box, along with my discount code link. And this is how I actually clean up my vases. As you can see here, you guys, I go back and I make sure I pull out any glue bulking as well. But that's just one of my tips. So be mindful of that, you guys. If you have pieces that has glue everywhere, you can clean them up even on the end. Also, check that description box. I am going to be including the link for that Monvict glue gun and that Hiipoo glue gun. I'm also going to drop my Amazon links for my Aztec glue as well. And you guys, make sure you stay tuned to see these vases style. I should appreciate everyone's faithful and loyal love and support. We're on the road to 50K. And I cannot make it there without you. So share the channel with your family and your friends. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see you guys in another upcoming video. Bye everyone. Stay blessed and always stay positive. Don't forget to talk to me in the comments and let me know if 10 a.m. is a great time for you to receive content from Glam Queen DIY.